Okay, we're going to do a cold start on a 2004 Honda S2000. Not familiar with the S2000, it's a little different in starting. You got to first put in the ignition key and then turn it on. All right, and then there's a start button over here, and you push the start button. Starts right up. Let's back it out here. We'll take a look at it. Alrighty, put it right there. Leave the motor on and we'll do a little walk around the car. You can see the mileage here, a little under 20,000 miles. (2004), a little under 20,000 miles on this one. Paint's in beautiful condition. Because it's been parked indoors, the top and everything else is in beautiful condition as well. If you took a chance to, took a minute to look at the photos of the bottom of this car, you'll notice that it still has the stickers from the manufacturer on the transmission and up in the engine area. They're the barcode stickers when they're doing the assembly of the car, and those are still on there. That's how clean the bottom of this car is. Alrighty, well, I hope this kind of gives you an idea about how the car starts on the cold start. And what a beautiful shape this car is in. Thanks for your time.